Alrighty, hi all. Let's go to pattern focus to find the next pattern. This one. Trying to remember where I was at. If you get a little bit of reflection, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best not to get that, but you just might. Let's see, has anybody done this one? Mimi has done this one. That looks like Mimi's video. This one's called Ziwa. So it goes in the heart category. I'm probably just going to do one big one on one of these. Okay, so looks like the first thing we do is to make this like a big S shape, like half a heart coming up and down, and then a scroll. Okay. Zoom in just a little bit. There we go. That's better. Okay, and then we want to finish off the other side of the heart with just a curve like that. And then number 3, looks like about halfway down this side, we're going to do a feathering. And then continue that feathering all the way around this spiral like that. And then we can aura the inside of that heart and shade and even color in. And here's the artwork that has multiples of them. I think I'm just going to do one. So that's that. Stand that up over here. Okay. Get me a pen. This one. Okay, so step number 1 is going to, now you're going to see it sideways because my hand is over here, the camera's over here, okay, just so you know. But I'm going to make it actually need to be over a little bit because a lot of it comes out over here. So the little heart shape actually needs to be kind of over here. So kind of like that, right? And then the other half of it goes like this. And then about halfway down, this one's going to come in and around. And then I'm just going to come around. This is just feathering. Super simple technique. There's not really a specific step out for it. It just kind of creates itself as you do it here. Just gonna keep going. Mine's pretty big. If you can do it smaller. Something like that. And then in here, we're going to Sakura this heart shape like that. I got too close to the edge. I didn't start up high enough. So if you're doing it, just know for spacing that it actually took more down here than I thought. I needed to actually start it a little bit higher and a little bit further in the corner in order for it to be a nice even thing. Let's do a little shading. Always look good. I think feathering always looks good. Put a little bit of shading right here where the you seem to be not quite right here. I don't know, I still haven't got the camera in the angle that I want it, but now I think you're too low. I thought first you were too high, now I think you're too low. Bother. Something like that. Okay. Smudgy. Get my blending stump and just smudge that out. Using a great big one today. Alrighty, so there's that. I feel like I need to tip my whole thing. Because I want you up, but I want you more like that. How can I do that? Maybe if I reduce the front two legs a little bit. Alright, I have to play with that again. Sorry about all the adjustments, but once I figure out exactly where to put this stupid camera, I will be better off. Okay, I think I want to put a little bit of color. Sample showed it green, but I'm not feeling green. I'm feeling purple. I'm going to kind of just color this like I would color like a gem with multiple layers of colors. That's going to be my lightest color. Something like that. Maybe a darker color. on that side. Like that. And then this light color, which I need to do like this over the top, which will blend them. Like so. Needs a little bit more of this color. I lost my kind of reddish purple, you know, all that. Like that. That's pretty. Okay, I'm good with that. I'm actually think I'm going to, because I have all this negative space up here, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to, with my pencil, bring a lot of dark right there. And I'm going to blend it out. Even though I'm not actually drawing anything here, it will visually fill that space a little bit. Because it just feels a little odd. Okay, and then the name. Ziwa. Sign it down here. And I'm done. That was a pretty quick one, which is good. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna adjust my camera angle one more time and see if I can't get something a little more what I want to have happen. I think the angle is good. It just needs to, be, I think you guys need to be like here. That's where I want you to be. All right, so I'm going to adjust my legs, see what happens. I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today, and let's make the world a better place, shall we? I'll see you later. Bye-bye.